I become more and more clear of what I want to create is I try to imitate the sunrise stage near a lake. So the next step after I create the background was that I tried to create a lake on the bottom of the canvas. And as you can see, for the first 2 times I tried, the lake effect are not so good. It looks really strange. So I keep refining it. And as you can see now the effect looks better. And there's also some other problem, is that the setting of the flower is a little bit wrong, so it'll only gather in the middle of the canvas. So I try to update the setting to let the flower float around the whole screen. And as you can see now, it looks much better. But soon I discovered some new problem, which is the flower cannot react very well with the audio because I tried to make a lot of large noise and the flower will not move. So I try to refine the logic of the audio reactive part of the flower. What I try to create is that when the audio voice is louder and then the flower will float around, like strong wind is blowing it everywhere. And if you pay attention, you can find the transaction between the sky and water a few seconds ago are not very smooth, so I add another layer to filter the water, like the top of the water is a little bit orange and the bottom of the water is still blue. And the other problem I found is that when the flower fell down from the top to the bottom, it will not stop at the surface of the lake, so it looks a bit strange. So I refined the logic of where the flower will stop, and I solved this problem successfully. And as you can see now, the whole effect looks much better. While I'm testing it, I found some more problem, which is although I'm satisfied with the current visual effect, the only problem is that the canvas looks too empty. So I started to think, is there any way to make the whole view more full with if I added some other stuff in the canvas? And when I think about it, I got some inspiration from a place I've been to, which is the West Lake in Hangzhou. I think the most special part of the West Lake is that you can see the lake and mountain at the same time. When I was in Hangzhou, I feel so calm to watch it. So I think it's gonna be a great idea if I just add the mountain background. And now, as you can see, the visual looks much better than before.